Good morning. This is Melvin Thomas with your Diligence Diamond for today. Today being Sunday, I'm ready to celebrate with our faith community here. But your Diligence Diamond for our Diligence Diamond for this week is the word demand. It was the great abolitionist Frederick Douglass who said, "Power concedes nothing without a demand." And inside of each one of us, there is a core of power, unlimited. And we have the ability to do and the potential to do anything that we want to do in life and in our world. But we must place a demand upon that power. And so I'm going to challenge you this week, as I challenge myself, to look inside and place a demand on the power that is here. And when I place that demand on that power, I expect it to be there. Just like we place a demand upon our automobile, we put our foot on the accelerator, we're placing demand on that engine. When we flip a switch in our house, we're placing demand on that light. When we turn on a faucet, we're placing a demand upon that water. And so inside of you is power, power to heal, power to help, power to build, power to love, power to change and rearrange anything in our world and in our lives. Power concedes nothing without a demand. Place a demand upon the power that is within you. And it was again the wise man Solomon, the great King Solomon, who said, "The hands of the diligent ones shall rule, but laziness ends in slave labor." I'm Melvin Thomas, and this has been your Diligence Diamond for this Sunday. Have a diligent week.